Hello, welcome to this channel Gain Java Knowledge, and today in Java problem solving series we are going to discuss about how to check if a string is numeric or not in Java, and there is different ways to check that string is numeric or not. So here in this video we will discuss about just two ways. First we will use plain Java and other way we will use regular expression, and there are different ways like we can also use external libraries. So okay, let's start to write the code. So here I have created one class. Here I have defined main method, and here I will declare one string value, that is string 1.2345, and it is a numeric value also. And here I will declare one flag that will use to check is numeric, and by default it will be true. And next we will use try block, and here we will parse it string value by using double is equal to double dot parse double function. Here we will use, and here we will pass string value, and this function will throw number format exception. If it is not throwing any exception, then we can say it is a valid numeric value, and if it is throwing an exception, then we can say it is not a numeric value. Number format exception will rise if we are not passing number. And if exception will rise, then is numeric will be false. And here we will print if is numeric, then we can say it is a numeric value, else it is not a numeric. It is not a numeric value. Now I will run this application to check if a string is numeric or not. So here it's showing it is a numeric value. Now I will add here some alphabets. H I have added. Now I will run this application again, and we will check the output on console. It is not a numeric value. By using plain Java we have completed this, and here we have used try block and catch block, and in the try block we use doubles parse double function method to convert the string to double, and if it throws an error or an exception, that is number format exception, then it means it is not a number, else it is a number. And the other way is used to check the string is numeric or not. We can use regular expression also. So here I will use regular expression, and here we will declare is numeric, and here I will use string dot matches function, string class matches, that is str dot matches, and here I will pass the regular expression that will be used to check if a string is numeric or not. So here I will use minus question mark hyphen small d plus, and here I will use small brackets and open it and close it. and here I will use double slash, and it is used for to check decimal function also will be validate, and here I will use digit plus, and in the last I will use question mark sign, and it is a regular expression that is used to validate the string is numeric or not. Now I will run this application, and here you can see the output on console. It's throwing exception. I need to check. Here I have added one extra bracket. Now I will run this application again, and it is not a numeric value because we have added alphabet. Now I will run this application again, and here you can see the output on console. It is a numeric value. How this regular expression is working? The first, we have used plain Java. Instead of using try catch block, now we are using regular expression to validate a string is numeric or not. And here we have used string match function, and it means minus question mark that allows 0 or more minus. This sign is used to allow only 0 or more minus for negative numbers in the string. And this is the double slash digit plus. This will be used to check the string must have at least one or more numbers. At least one number is mandatory. And this is the slash dot is used to check the decimal point. And this is the pattern that is used to validate 0 or more of the given pattern. It will check the decimal will be allow, that is optional, and it will be decided if the decimal is obtained and decimal is available in the string, then it should be followed by at least one number, that the digit must be after the decimal. And these are the two ways that is used to validate the string is numeric or not. Okay, thanks for watching this video.